So today's topic is about newspapers, Shika. So tell me, like, how often do you read newspapers?
Okay, so I'm not good at reading newspaper, as I mentioned in some of my videos, because sometimes due to lack of time and because in the morning time mostly we used to read, but now we are very busy. In morning time we have to be ready and go, so we just finish some other work. That's why I'm not good to read newspaper every day. So I think weekend on Sunday mostly I used to do it.
Okay, on Sundays you used to read newspapers.
Yeah,
So
so there is no newspaper on Sunday as well. So like Saturday or some other newspaper, if there is available, then I try it.
so do you have any newspaper subscription, or you buy it from shop?
Yeah, uh, one guy so is doing this job, give news door to door. We
Okay.
can find, yeah, that's
So what kind of newspaper you are buying? What brand?
actually Hindi newspaper.
Hindi newspaper.
I'm thinking that yeah, I should change this, and I want to switch that like from Hindi to English. So that maybe I will be regular reader, because only Hindi newspaper nowadays. So I'm thinking, okay, and I don't want to read much Hindi. It's okay, and if they are gossiping something, so yeah, most often we had the news, so it's okay. But for if I think I switch that thing from Hindi to English, so maybe I will be regular for my learning, for my reading. I'm thinking that I should change it. Yeah, soon I will.
Okay, definitely you have to do that, because
Yeah.
reading English newspaper will help us to improve our communication skills.
Yes, yes, because so many, I think people they suggested me like reading English newspaper, but still I'm not doing this. I think I'm not started it yet. So soon I will start.
Okay. So the thing you mentioned, like you are getting in newspaper, Hindi newspaper. What is the name of that newspaper?
The name is Amar Uzala. Amar Uzala.
Amar Uzala. So what is the meaning of it, Amar Uzala?
Yeah, Amar means who can survive without so until this word will be survived. So the person is survived. Amar, you can
Oh, Amar.
understand.
Okay,
Yeah,
Amar.
and yeah, Uzala means fair, the things which is fair. No mixture.
Okay, okay. Good, good. Nice name they given to newspaper. So
Yeah.
is that a famous newspaper over there?
Yes, yes. There is a famous, Amar Uzala, and one other is Dainik Jagran. So these both are, I think, famous.
Okay. So is it in local language or in Hindi? It's in Hindi, right?
Yeah, Hindi language.
Or in Hindi. So have you read any English newspapers before? Like, I believe you have read. So
Yeah,
what?
twice I tried. That was not mine because, as I said, I never, purchased the English newspaper at home. So, while traveling, I used this. So while traveling, yeah, once or twice, I used to read that newspaper.
Oh. So what newspaper do you like? Like which brand do you like? There are several brands.
Yeah, I think the Hindu, very common. I have found once that, and yeah, I read that time. I was not much able like this to talk in English, so I was only reading. And my brother, he just sometime that time he told me, why you are reading this? You are not too much good to communicate in English. So that time means he making jokes and fun. But yeah, I did it, while traveling.
But Hindu newspaper is the best, and it is also like very complicated. They use very
Yes,
complicated vocabularies.
that's why he said me like, this is very complicated and tough English. And so I said, okay, I'm not gonna read day by day. That's a for traveling. I'll
Okay.
just do.
But even the what to say, those people who prepare for government examination, they actually read Hindi newspapers.
Yes, yes, like UPSC, I think they also
Yes.
use the civil services examination.
And for entertainment, I believe we can read Times of India.
Times of India. Okay, yeah, maybe. I didn't
Have
have idea.
you reading Times of India?
No, no, no.
Okay, you're not aware.
Yeah.
Mm, so, what are the, according to you, what are the importance of newspaper?
Okay. You know, so many importance we can say, as you mentioned, like for students, for aspirants, and civil services aspirants. So for study, it's very useful. For I think making you understand the current affairs, like what is going on around you. So it's also useful for this. And newspaper, they are I think authentic a bit than social media and other things. So this is also a bit authentic. We can rely on that thing. This is reliable. So these are the good source for comment.
Okay, okay, good. Good. So, any disadvantages of newspaper?
Disadvantages, I think now it is started as so many negative things they are giving in newspaper than positive and good things. That people means if you are giving the negative only negativity in your newspaper, so I think that's not good for citizen then public. So that is, I think, this is a disadvantage. They should remove that things because this is the word. There is so many things is going. So you only have to take and some good points, not to I think garbage thing. Don't take it.
Okay, that's true. That's true. Like when you take any newspaper or any news, as we discussed earlier, 75% of the things will be like negative things. But
Yes.
like negative. Okay, that's great. Mm, okay. So nowadays, like after technology has developed, so many people are switching to cell phone rather than reading newspaper. Right? So they are reading news in cell phone itself, like the mobile phone, because we have many apps. Even Hindu
Yes.
Times of India is in like app. We have a app and we can study. We can read news through that. So what is your opinion?
Yeah, okay, it's also good. Yeah, means I'm also using, there is an app like InShort. So there is only 60 lines and you can read the news very soon. So it's okay, but I think that's not much good than, newspaper because newspaper, this is a good habit for reading, everything and there is no distraction. I mean, I think, if you are using any app, so much distraction. We also, observed it many times with us. It happened like we are reading any news and coming so many notification and something else. So we are just diverting our mind from there. So distraction it is also. That's why I think newspaper this is better than that. But yeah, if there is no option, so it's also a good option.
Exactly, exactly. You're right. So many distractions in this. So nowadays they are giving apps for free, but they are putting a lot of advertisements.
Yeah, yeah, right, right. So
But I also believe that reading news from app is like little convenient than reading newspaper. For example, if you are traveling in bus, opening the newspaper and reading is not possible, like because of the wind and the stuff. It's very tough to open the newspaper. It will affect the neighboring people also. So
yes.
at that time, we can use the app and read newspaper, right?
Yeah, yeah. That's why I mentioned that point because if there is no any option like you are traveling anywhere and so much crowd and you have to be aware what is going around that, so that's a good thing. You have social media, many apps you can use it.
Okay, cool. So, do you use any newspaper apps? I think it's in shorts, right?
Yeah, yeah, in short.
So, what is your opinion on in shorts? How it is?
Yeah, it's a good app. I have found it's a good because it's not tedious that you are reading more and more. there's in short, like a name, there is short news in a para. So you can read and be aware what's going, like a current affairs. I have found it's a good, I think. Short.
Okay. So what is your opinion on the news presented in newspaper? It is like, do you believe it is true or it is fabricated?
Okay, sometime I think, like if there is authentic newspaper, so this is, I think this what is their content, that must be true. But sometimes it is happening because the things is very little and they are giving it much priority. So yeah, sometimes they are, maybe just because of their advertisement. So they, I think so that they become more popular, and that is why some spicy news they are just searching here and there, and they are just taking and giving us. Sometime it is fabricated maybe, but if there is like the Hindu, this kind of newspaper, they are giving true news.
Okay, that's a good point, Shika. And I also believe that newspapers are giving more importance for celebrities. So what do you think about that?
Yeah, right. Because there is a different cover only for them, for celebrities. I think this is also because of people, they are liking it. They are watching social media, and they're watching news, so that they be aware about celebrities and their things. People are interested, I think, and that's why newspaper they are also covering this point and giving us, so
That's
that
true. That's
people,
true.
yeah, they can also
Yeah,
be interested.
as you said, like they are giving what people are interested in. Okay, that's true. That's true. Okay. Okay. I think we almost covered all the questions related to this topic. Okay. So now I have another question from this topic. I'm getting one question. So, what is your opinion, like reading newspaper and watching news in television? So, what might be the difference, and what are the advantages and disadvantages?
So as I said, reading newspaper, so and watching TV, so this is different completely. Watching TV sometimes it is harmful, like for your eyes, and continuously you're watching, and sometimes that is waste of time, because they are giving debate and so many things on news. And in newspaper you are finding only the things, some points. So and you also growing, you are improving your, enhancing your skill, your reading, and your mind power is, I think it's become broad if you are reading anything. And if you are watching anything, so and you are lethargic and you are just sit and watch something, so you have to be active, more active than newspapers. So that's why I think that is good. Otherwise it is up to the situation, and according to convenience what people they like.
That's true. That's true. Reading is always good for the brain's ability, right? It will improve
Definitely,
our.
we read anything, so it will be retain more time than watching anything. It is okay watching, if we are watching, it's okay. But I just believe that, because if I read some things, so it will be more time in my mind, and I'm retaining it. And if I watched anything and after some time I forgot what I watched, so it happens sometimes.
Okay. So reading will be registered in our mind rather than watching. Correct.
Correct.
Super. Shika, would you like to try a topic?
Yeah, sure.
I'll give you a topic. You can think few points and try to speak for like 1 or 2 minutes if possible. Okay. And the topic is little familiar also because we already discussed last time. So the topic is difficult roads leads to beautiful destination. That is the topic.
Okay.
So you can think about it. I will give you like 30 seconds for thinking.
Okay.
You can
Difficult
points.
gives us beautiful destination. It is. Okay. So, that means difficult path. If we are suffering from a difficult path, we had a hardship time. So after that, definitely there will be a good time. There will be, I think, a transformation in your life will come soon. So that is means difficult roads, they are leading a beautiful destination. If you are in a path and you are suffering so many things you have been through, but sometime after some time you will see that yeah, you have grew up, I think, a lot, and you have achieved so many things while the path you didn't think even, yeah, I'm growing up, I'm improving myself. But yeah, after one stage when you will be in the last of your destination, so you will realize, yeah, now I have become something, something unique than previously. So I think it is.
Super. Nice, nice. Okay, cool. You handled it nicely. Maybe you could have added some incident or real time incident, or you can talk about failures also. Like without failures, we cannot reach success. Those kind of
Yes.
things. But anyway,
Right,
you
right.
leave it. You understood the meaning of the topic, Shika.